sklearn metric soc. Description: explain in detail the area under the curve. AUC is a performance metric used to evaluate binary classification models. It represents the probability that a randomly chosen positive example will be ranked higher than a randomly chosen negative example. Inputs. Input 1: explain in detail why true, the true labels of the data points. This is a one-dimensional array of binary values 0 or 1 indicating whether each data point belongs to the positive class 1 or negative class 0. Input 2: explain in detail y scores, the predicted scores or probabilities for the positive class. This is a one-dimensional array of continuous values. These scores should be in the same order as the true labels in y true. Outputs. Output 1: explain in detail a single floating point value representing the AUC score. Steps. Step 1: explain in detail. The AUC is calculated by plotting the true positive rate TPR against the false positive rate FPR at various threshold values. Step 2: explain in detail. The area under this curve represents the AUC. Metrics. Metric 1: explain in detail AUC score. It ranges from 0 to 1, where 1 represents a perfect classifier and 0 represents a classifier that always predicts the wrong class. Metric 2: explain in detail ROC curve, receiver operating characteristic curve. This plot shows the relationship between TPR and FPR at different threshold values. It is often used to visualize the performance of a binary classifier. Visualization plots. Visualization plot 1: explain in detail ROC curve. This is a plot of TPR against FPR. The AUC is the area under this curve. Fine-tune parameters. Parameter 1: explain in detail none. Parameter 2: explain in detail none. Uncertainty methods. Uncertainty method 1: explain in detail confidence intervals for the AUC can be estimated using bootstrapping methods. This involves resampling the data with replacement and calculating the AUC for each resampled dataset. Uncertainty method 2: explain in detail. The standard error of the AUC can be estimated using the delta method or similar statistical techniques. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: explain in detail imbalanced datasets. If the dataset has a significant imbalance between the positive and negative classes, the AUC may not be a reliable measure of performance. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: a dataset where 99 of the data points belong to the negative class and only 1 belong to the positive class. Fixes to challenge 1: consider using other metrics like precision, recall, F1 score, or balanced accuracy, which are less sensitive to class imbalance. You can also try using techniques like oversampling or undersampling to balance the dataset. Challenge 2: explain in detail nonlinear decision boundaries. AUC is particularly useful for evaluating classifiers with linear decision boundaries. For nonlinear classifiers, the AUC might not be as informative. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: a dataset with complex patterns where a linear classifier would not be effective. Fixes to challenge 2: consider using other metrics like the precision recall curve, which is more appropriate for evaluating nonlinear classifiers.